Welcome back to the channel. This is just basically a requested video based on some stuff I got in my DMs. I'm gonna be showing a few different eyeliner looks. I'm probably only gonna do one eye. Probably only gonna do this one. So you won't get to see me do it both, but it's kind of redundant. Okay, so before I get started, I just want to say thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. Even though I haven't been that active, people are still watching my videos, which is really cool. I'm almost at 2,000 subscribers. I don't want to say it's like a substantial amount of growth, but I started out with 12. I started out with 12 subs. So I feel like that is significant. So I want to say thank you for subscribing, even though I've been like way inactive. Make sure to like the video if you like the damn video, and follow me on Instagram and TikTok. Links to that will be in the description box below. Number one is going to be this look right here. Yeah, so it's basically like a double wing, and then like it comes down like down here. So it's like a little bit of a clown. I don't know what you call it, like the clown. I don't know I don't know what terms. I don't know anything. It's gonna come down like that, and I have like two little mini triangles right here, and then it kind of like swoops out down there. Okay, let's just get into it. Alright, here I go. I'm not gonna bother with like eyelashes because I feel like that would be like redundant again, like that would just be pointless. Not me like wanting to change this up. This is supposed to be me showing you how to do easy eyeliner looks, not me wanting to make it more complicated. Alright, so this is the finished product. Number two. So for number two, I'm not gonna wipe. I guess I could just wipe everything off and start over. So the truth is I did too much yet again, and I completely changed the entire thing, but hopefully you guys followed along for the part that I did actually do on camera. I went to the bathroom to clean it up in my bathroom mirror, and I ended up getting carried away yet again because this is just what I do, and I'm having fun, but like you don't see what I'm doing. Anyway, so that's this look. Once again, that is this look. It could be better. Yes, it could be better, but kind of like it. Alright, so this is the one I'm going to be doing next. So I basically just wiped off everything from over here and left the original line. This is the fun part. Just keep filling and filling and filling and filling and filling and filling until you get the way you want, because like even just at this thickness it looks pretty good. So if you want it thinner, or if you want it thicker, or if you want it really thick, which what I'm about to do. That is that one, right? Okay, the last one is gonna be this one, and I'm not doing it in red because my red eyeliner is really cheap and crusty, and yeah, I'm about to just do it in black just to show you the shape and how I did it. Yeah, thank you so much for watching the video. If you watched until the end, let me know in the comments which one you liked best. Hopefully this was entertaining. Like the damn video if you liked it. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see me in between uploads. You can follow me on Instagram and or TikTok. The links will be down below in the description. Thank you for watching. See you next time.